Chemistry's evolution. Ancient to modern history of chemistry. The history of chemistry dates back thousands of years, with early civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks contributing to the development of alchemical practices. The Middle Ages saw a blend of mystical beliefs and practical experimentation. The scientific revolution in the 17th century laid the foundation for modern chemistry, with figures like Robert Boyle and Antoine Lavoisier emphasizing experimentation and the scientific method. The 19th century brought significant advancements, including the development of the periodic table by Dmitri Mendeleev and the discovery of the electron by J.J. Thomson. The 20th century marked further breakthroughs, such as the development of quantum mechanics